So guys, NFP in a few guys, and I remember there is someone who told me you can use technical analysis to predict the NFP results. Okay, so guys, this is the market and the news are being released in a few right now, and so guys, I would just want to try and see whether this technical analysis, or rather price action, can really show us the direction of the NFP. So guys, this is Euro USD 30 minutes time frame. I know most of you use the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, but I prefer being on 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and 30 minutes time frame. And guys, I can surprise you as well. I can use an hour. I want to use the 30 minutes time frame in this case. And so guys, I'm trying to understand what the market is showing here before the news are being released, guys. And I'm telling you for sure, guys, I'm going to use the technical analysis, right? And so guys, what I can say right now, or rather what I can see right now, I just want to draw my point of interest real quick. We're going to highlight this level right here. There is how I trade NFP, but basically they say technical analysis can make you trade new. So guys, if you can look close, we are on a very strong resistance level right here. It was touched here, it was touched here 2 times, so it is a strong level for to execute our trades. But basically guys, you come to understand, and I would love to clarify this is like a formation of an M formation right here, but if you can look closely, this high right here did not really get to the same level of this leg of a double top. You understand? I don't know whether it is visible, so guys, allow me to delete this before we are actually caught up right now. Let me delete it. I hope it is visible, guys. You can see for sure this high right here, let me just draw it, did not get to this high right here. So this, I can say it is a creation of a lower high. So according to my own analysis and what I understand, the NFP will basically sell on Euro USD. I don't know whether guys this is going to happen. We're waiting for news in a few using technical analysis, guys. And I've told you, as we wait, guys, it is on our key level right here, and as you can see for sure, this did not at any given point touch the same high. It is actually lower, guys, as you can see. So that shows, according to my own analysis, if this level is broken below, we're going to proceed to the downside, simply because guys, we had the manipulation at the game, as you can see right here. So there is a probability this market will sell according to technical analysis. So we are going to wait to see whether this is going to happen, or we are just creating our own things right now. Guys, I don't know whether you're ready for these. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, there we go. Yes, the market is basically pushing to the downside, guys. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, guys, look at this candlestick pattern. Look at this. I'm trying to imagine anyone who went against this. I'm trying to imagine anyone who is going against this, guys. This is happening, and as you can see, it is basically a really push to the downside, and the candlestick is basically, whoa, still proceeding to the downside, guys. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is crazy. I don't know what I can say right now. So guys, I want to tell you that the technical analysis is followed. I can say maybe, I don't want to say it can happen most of the times, but I can say sometimes it can happen and sometimes it can fail to happen. Okay, so guys, that's what I wanted to test. It's all about testing and seeing whether what you're being told, or rather what you've heard, really works. This time around, according to our own analysis, it followed our own analysis, the technical analysis, and definitely NFP. Oh my goodness, I want to see the results right now. I'm going to use the forexfactory.com. Here it is, guys. You can see the results right here. I'm talking about this level right here. This was the NFP. The red folded news, they are not a joke. They are not a joke, guys, and that is basically what has happened. Your USD sold. So what you're supposed to know anytime you're trading news, when you see Euro USD selling, you understand, you're supposed to know USD JPY really bought aggressively. That's what they do, and that's why you're supposed to pay attention on pairs that you're supposed to be considering anytime that you want to execute your trades, because that's how news work. They really move aggressively, and when you're not really ready for this, you can blow your account. You can really lose your money aggressively. So guys, I just want to see what is going to happen next. Yes, you can see, guys, how it is going. Oh yes, oh yeah, it is happening, guys. Continue selling, but as well be having a kind of reversal, price trying to push to the upside. There you go, and it is happening. So guys, please pay attention on this. Very important to really know. This is after hours and hours. That is what we got. Don't joke with this movement over here. It can really blow your account successively. This is not a joke. It has made many traders rich, and that's why it has made many traders poorer and poorer. When this kind of a movement goes against you, guys, you are dead. And I want to show you how it actually moves also on daily time frame, and daily time frame as well. This is the candlestick. This is the candlestick you can see right here. When you see this kind of a candlestick pattern on daily time frame, this is a huge movement. And so to those who executed their selling order, they basically made pretty good amount of money. That's the sweetest thing about forex trading. You can enter the market anytime you want to. You can basically exit the market anytime you want to and make money. So let's continue learning. That is what I wanted to test, and it basically showed me it was really an accurate prediction. So guys, that's what I had for today. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Listen traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.